In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to help you guys to build your perfect shops. I'll be reviewing 5 different shops, talking about where they need to improve, and I'll also talk about the things that these shops are doing well. If you're ready for this, please do drop a like, as that will be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. Now, if you happen to be new around here and you're not already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of my future uploads, and also you won't miss out on the information that could help you to get sales just like these guys. And for those who don't already know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features a lot of the information that I used to get my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. And alongside that, I also have a paid step-by-step guide for anyone that's looking to maybe turn this into more of a full-time thing. But as for today, we're going to be reviewing some shops, and if you want your shop to be reviewed in a future episode, I'll make sure this time that I put a link down in the description where you can actually click and submit your shop. Okay, that then takes us to our first shop, which is this shop you guys can see right here. The shop is called Choice Matters 3. First of all, I just want to say I like the design on the banner. It's very colorful, looks pretty cool. One thing that I would personally change would be the logo, just to maybe match it up with the banner. But that's just my OCD-ness when it comes to branding with Redbubble shops. Nevertheless, looking at the shop itself, at the top, you can see there's a featured collection there, which is always good to see. It shows that they've taken a little bit of extra time to kind of make their shop look nicer. More collections down here. Looking at the shop itself, I'm liking the designs that I'm seeing. They've got designs on various products, and when it comes to things like mugs, I'm seeing this mug has a design that we can't actually see. If you're in a similar situation to this, where obviously your design's not showing on your mug, you can actually put your image on both sides. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I'll put a tutorial down in the description. If you can't find that tutorial in the description, let me know in the comments, just so I'll make sure that I do add that down below for you guys. There's a lot of stickers in here. I like how they've created the sticker letter design images, mainly because if these start selling, you could potentially end up getting a lot of sales, mainly because people usually buy more than one when they're buying letters. Nevertheless, I'm seeing sticker packs in there. They've got some cool looking phone case designs. And overall, I mean, the shop is looking really nice in regards of what they're doing with it. And design wise, I didn't actually go over this at the start, but they have 264 designs, which means they have more than enough information to pretty much figure out the route they want to take their shop on. Now, what I usually say is if you've surpassed 100 designs, your shop will pretty much give you the information you need to know as to how you can maximize the amount of sales you can get, as well as the traffic. And it's easy to do. You just have to make sure that obviously your shop is linked to a Google Analytics account. That way you can track which of your designs are actually getting the most clicks. Those designs that are getting the most clicks, most favorites, most sales, you want to then create multiple different versions of them. For example, with this design here that says "You are awesome," you could literally make a pink version, a blue version, and a yellow version of this same design if it's doing well. That allows you to potentially get more sales if someone's deciding to buy more than one. And it could also convince people that may not particularly like this color to buy another color. So that's why I recommend that. Nevertheless, I'm actually going to click on this design that says "You are awesome." I like how they've done it. They've got the paws kind of arching over, and they've got some curved text just below. It's a nice little cool design. Looking at this title wise, they've titled it "You Are Awesome Pet Lover." So I like the fact that they've added in keywords in the title. It's very important to try fit in as many keywords as you can whilst making it look natural. So obviously you've got pet lover there, and you've got awesome as the main keywords. Scrolling down, looking at the description, let's see what we have. So they've just added perfect for all kinds of pet lovers. What I would actually do here is add the title in as well, just mainly because with Redbubble now, they're starting to consider the description a little bit more when it comes to SEO, which is search engine optimization. And scrolling below, this product is activated on 79 products from what I can see here. So not quite everything is activated. I always say this, I've had people actually comment about this in the comments as well, saying that, you know, it's not always the best thing to activate all products. The main reason I suggest it is due to the fact that it increases your chances of getting sales. I've gotten sales from leggings, clocks, and even shower curtains by making sure that all my products were activated. And even though my designs may not be optimized for all products, it just gives you that extra chance of potentially getting that sale. And scrolling down, I'm gonna go to the tags. So they've added in a few tags in there. What I would personally do myself is to try my best to get to obviously 15 tags, which is what Redbubble recommends, but making sure that I find keywords that are in relation to this particular niche. Best way to do that is to literally type in, for example, pet lover in the search, and to see what other suggestions or what other similar keywords pop up, and then implementing them into your tags. That kind of gives you more of a chance of getting noticed through niches that are similar to the one that you're already in, and that could overall boost the shop in terms of SEO and people being able to find you. Overall, I like the look of the shop. 264 designs as we saw there. I just want them to keep the work up and to just start implementing more versions of the designs that are currently doing well. Not enough people do that, and personally, I really do feel that it does make the difference. On to our next shop, we have koi art here. The banner, the logo, both look nice. They've got a nice little picture of like a koi here, both on the banner and the logo, and a nice little message that's on the shop. So it says, failure is only the opportunity to try again, only more wisely this time. Couldn't have said it better myself. Nice little message there. Scrolling down, I'm seeing the featured collection has sticker packs. Sticker packs have always been a game changer and will continue to be a game changer for those who use them. So if you're not making your own style of sticker packs, you better start doing that. Scrolling down, they've got more collections, obviously, besides the featured collection there. Design wise, I've got masks, got some simple looking designs, some designs that are shown on t-shirts, the sticker packs, of course. And yeah, in terms of the designs, there's a lot going on there. Design wise, I'm seeing 174 designs. So they have been putting time to grow this shop, and I can see that in how good some of the designs are. And they've not just aimed to create the best designs, they've also created some simple designs as well. Simple designs is something you guys should never underestimate, as they do sell. And I'm seeing they've got 73 favorites, so some people are actually finding this shop. Preferably not as many people as they may want. Personally, I feel they should look at some of the popular designs to see if there's any way they can turn them into sticker packs. I feel like they've kind of started doing that already, but if they do more of this kind of shop could do very, very well because of that. So that's something they may want to look into. Some of these designs, it do look like they would fall under copyright trademark, which unfortunately does lead to shops being closed. So I would say for them to obviously fix that on their shop, just to make sure that they're not affecting their chances of getting sales in the long run. Clicking on this design, it says work from home employee of the month, November 2021. Now this looks like a scalable design. Obviously, I'm guessing they can change the year, or they've probably created or will create multiple versions of this design where you're just changing the month, which is pretty cool to see. And in regards of the title, self-explanatory, but it does feature keywords. So you've got work from home, employee of the month, and obviously November, all keywords that can help you to get found by a large amount of people. In terms of products activated, I'm seeing it's only activated on 66 products. That's a problem. That's something that needs to change. You definitely need to make sure you're activating more products there. As for the tags, it looks like you've done a good job here. I just say the main focus has to be on the activation of the product as well as maybe even adding some more sticker packs, because I feel with this style of shop, it definitely will make a big difference moving into the future. Taking us on to the next shop, we have this shop here by Summer82, or at least that's the name of the shop. Looking at it, I'm seeing that they've got some designs on the banner that look pretty cool if you ask me. This is always a cool concept, mainly because it allows people to see what is on your shop before they actually start looking through. I'm loving the featured collection at the top there, so the Mother's Day and Father's Day designs. And for those who don't know, Mother's Day is coming up in the US and Father's Day is also coming up fairly soon. So this person has actually thought ahead and took the initiative to create a featured collection for that. We've got more collections down below. Design wise, 284, plenty of designs for them to see obviously what's working for them. I'm seeing 204 favorites, so it looks like people are finding this shop. I'm not sure if they're sharing their shop out there or if it's organic, mainly because I can see that they're following quite a lot of people. Either way, people are seeing their designs, which is always good, and this person just needs to keep up with the hard work, and I feel that eventually it will pay off. I'm going to click on this design here. This is something that's scalable, and I can see they've put world's okayest runner. You could put world's okayest anything there and then change the silhouette image in the middle if you wanted, or you could change this to sprinter or anything else to do with running. World's okayest runner is the title. I would maybe add another keyword in there that's to do with running that might have low competition, and you could always literally search run or running to see what keywords pop up that have low competition and then add them to the title. That just allows you to perform better when you're under a lot of competition, if that makes sense. I'm seeing that they've got 85 products activated, so not quite everything, but they've got most of the products activated, which is good to see. Tag wise, they're doing okay with their tagging. The main thing with this shop is just to continue doing what they're doing. And I'll say, besides, you know, activating more products, to keep working with the designs slash products that are doing well for them. I like the whole feel of the shop. It's pretty cool if you ask me. Moving us on, we have this shop here. So Sway Lee Roy, I think it's called. Only 25 designs. So I'm guessing this is a fairly newish shop, or a shop where someone hasn't put way too many designs. I mean, straight off the bat, I always say to upload at least 100 designs. So if you're low on designs, keep working away, chipping away till you get that first 100 designs. As long as your Google Analytics are turned on, you'll be able to then analyze which of your designs were performing well, and then you can continue to make more of those designs or more of a particular product if you do see that you have a certain product that's getting clicked on quite a lot. Nevertheless, the designs look pretty cool, especially the Kiss Me I'm Vaccinated designs. This was something that was trending. I'm not too sure if it still is, but it's good to see that they're trying to jump onto trends to bring some traction to the shop. Scrolling through, besides the two stickers designs at the top, I'm seeing a lot of t-shirt designs, so I feel that they may actually be selecting t-shirts. For those who don't know, when it comes to Redbubble, best-selling product is the sticker. So what you could potentially do is try to create sticker packs. Sticker packs, I always talk about them. I've talked about them in the past, and I'll probably talk about them in the future, but sticker packs are a game changer, and I feel that this shop needs to try sticker packs as well. And as they've got 25 designs here on the journey to getting to 100, I would say create maybe 25 greetings cards, 25 sticker packs, and then 25 more maybe kids clothing to see which product performs really well with your designs. Besides that, I'm seeing the shop has 32 favorites, which is good to see. And I'm going to click on this Kiss Me I'm Vaccinated design to see how they've gone about it. So they've not gone too in depth with the title. They've just put Kiss Me I'm Vaccinated. With these trends, I usually look for other keywords that may be linked or related that I can add in there, just to give me more juice when it comes to people finding me through the search. It's worked, and once again, it's something that you guys should try if you're not already trying. They've added a description there, which is cool to see, which involves the title. Tag wise, I mean, I was gonna say they seemed okay, but they've gone with the spammy tag method there. Personally, I wouldn't recommend that, because I always feel that shops that use this eventually do get taken down, unfortunately. So this isn't something I would recommend. But yeah, the main thing to take into consideration for this shop is the fact that they need to push their way to 100 designs and then pretty much try their best to work from there, mainly because before you hit 100 designs, you haven't really kept that consistency to get to a point where you understand what people are liking from you in terms of product as well as designs as well. And finishing us off, we have this shop here by Kyle KSM, and on the banner it says dream big, and I like the fact that the logo somewhat matches the banner as well, which is pretty cool. Another featured collection at the top, which is always good to see. More collections below, and I've got some sticker packs, masks, and I'm seeing a lot of cool sticker styled images, which is always good to see there. Stickers do really perform well. They have 728 favorites, which means their shop is really doing well in regards of people finding it, getting clicks. They only have 82 designs, so whatever they're doing with the shop is working. All I would say here is for them to continue doing what they're doing and to stay consistent. Because if you have less than 100 designs and you're already at 700 plus favorites, you're doing something right. You just need to find a way to keep that going and maybe even to optimize it. I'm seeing a few sticker packs in there. I feel like this shop could do with a few more sticker packs on top of some of the ones that are there, as that might be the missing link to boost this shop even further. Besides that, I mean, they're doing a great job with everything, and I like the concept of getting a silhouette image or an image and then actually putting an overlaid image over that. So for example, here you can see the wolf and it's got an overlaid image of forest and moon there, which looks pretty cool. I'm going to click on this design here. So it's been titled "I prefer the term educational rockstar." Now this could be linked obviously in the education niche, music niche if you wanted to. There's so many niches you can link this with. I'm interested to see what they've done in terms of the tags. So they've put in some school related tags. They've added in some tags that are linked to small niches that were trending, so that's good to see. Product wise, they've only got 50 products activated. You guys already know how I feel about this. This is something that definitely needs to be boosted up, mainly because the more products you have activated, the more chance you have of getting sales. I always say this, not everyone will agree, I understand, but this is my opinion from the experience I've had and the sales I've had, and I continue to get by doing that. So yeah, take that at face value if you will, but yeah, it's been working for me. Nevertheless, this is a shop, out of all the shops that I've seen, that looks to have a lot of potential, mainly because of the amount of favorites. If the favorites are mostly organic, it's really, really good to see. You can really look into those favorites to see which things you need to work on to build your shop moving forward. And that's something I recommend for all of you guys to do. But besides that, you know, it's a great shop, and they just need to keep going with the consistency with the designs, and I see a lot of big things for it. That's pretty much it for today's episode. Once again, if you want to be featured in one of these, there'll be a link down in the description where you can submit your shop. Nevertheless, if you made it this far into this video, down in the comment section, comment down more reviews, only if you want to see me do more of these reviews. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, guys, and manifest success.